So the big picture for this lesson is solving a linear system using substitution. So here you can see two equations, y equals 2x plus 1, and then x plus 3y equals 10. So there are two equations and two variables. When the number of equations and variables is the same, you can solve. So notice that the first equation is already solved for y. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to substitute that into this second equation right here. So what that means is I'm going to take this 2x plus 1 and write it there instead of y. So x plus 3 times 2x plus 1 equals 10 is an equivalent equation. All I did was substitute the y in the second equation for the 2x plus 1, which we know is equal to y. So now, let's simplify and solve this thing. So x plus, I'm going to distribute the 3 here. 3 times 2x is 6x, and then plus 3 times 1, which is 3, equals 10. Next, I'm going to combine the x terms together. X plus 6x makes 7x, and then the rest stays the same. Plus 3 equals 10. Next step, subtract 3 from both sides. 7x comes down. Plus 3 minus 3 makes 0, equals 10 minus 3, which is 7. Divide both sides by 7. X equals 7 divided by 7, which is 1. Okay, so now I know the x value. I can use an equation up above to find the y value. I'm going to use equation 1 because it's already solved for y. That'll be really easy. So y equals 2x plus 1. So I'm going to substitute the x value that I know in here. Y equals 2 times 1 plus 1. So y equals 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1. Y equals 2 plus 1, which is 3. So x equals 1, y equals 3. That is my solution, at least I think. I want to check in each equation. So if I have a 3 here and a 1 here, what happens? 3 equals 2 times 1 plus 1. Well, 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. So 2 plus 1 does work here. So the x value is 1, that goes here, plus 3 times the y value of 3. Is that equal to 10? Well, 1 plus 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9, I know that. And then so 1 plus 9 makes 10. So the solutions work in both equations, so I know that I have a solution here. I'm going to write it as a coordinate x, y. I'm going to put 1, 3. So that is my solution to the system of equations by substitution. And that's the big picture for this lesson. You're going to be seeing a lot of examples, some with fractions involved, but the process is the same each time.